Good evening everyone, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to unbox this Amazon Basics tripod stand for my camera. Let's look at this. Okay, let's unbox this one. So I'm going to open this. As you can see, packaging is really good. Okay, let's keep that away now. So as you can see, this comes in a very nice bag. You can use this bag to carry around your tripod. I don't think I'll be carrying this tripod anywhere with me, but if you plan to travel with this tripod, this bag is going to come very handy. You can extend this tripod from 25 inches to 60 inches when center post is fully extended. And you can extend these legs by unlatching this tripod at two different levels. When you have your desired height set, make sure to securely latch these legs again. I got this Amazon Basics 60-inch lightweight tripod for $25.99 and it is perfect for most cameras up to 6.6 pounds. My complete camera setup with Canon EOS camera and Takstar mic weighs around 2 pounds, so it can handle my camera setup very easily. You can easily spend close to $100 on any camera tripods. I am just starting my YouTube channel, so I just went with something that will just get the work done. That doesn't mean it is low quality. It can handle pretty much everything. And when you grow in future, maybe you can buy a very expensive camera tripod with a lot of different functionalities. But at the moment, when you're beginning, I think this is a perfect camera tripod. Overall build quality is really good. It is made of aluminum, that is why it is very lightweight. It is my first ever camera tripod and I think it is very stable, which helps me to take very good stabilized picture quality. This tripod head houses a quick release base plate, which helps in ensuring fast transition between shots. Well, this tripod head can rotate in two directions. You can rotate this in swivel motion by using this handle, which can be securely locked by this screw. You can also tilt this camera by unscrewing this handle, and you can move it in upward and downward direction after that. Well, it comes with this quick release mounting plate. It is mostly made up of plastic with rubber top. There is a screw in the middle that attaches to your camera, and you can take it out by unlocking this hook. You can also raise the tripod head by unscrewing this bottom screw, and then you just need to crank this lever. It will come up or go down. And when you have your desired camera height set, just lock this screw again. Apart from swivel and tilt, this camera tripod head can also move in this direction. So there is one screw over here that lets it open that plate up, and then you can use it to take portrait photos as well. Okay, let's also talk about these camera legs. At the end of these legs, you have these rubber tips that can rotate to provide that perfect stability to your camera. It comes with this handle to easily carry it around, and it is very lightweight, so it is very easy to carry this around if you want to move this tripod. It also comes with these two built-in bubble view levels to make sure your camera is perfectly leveled before taking the shot. Next part of this video is shot on my iPhone because I was mounting my camera on this tripod to give you guys an idea how it fits on this tripod. As I mentioned, I've got this Canon M50 camera and I've got this Takstar mic to go with it. And overall weight for my camera setup is close to 2 pounds. So this camera tripod can handle this very easily. With that, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. And if you like the review of this camera tripod, please hit that like button and smash that bell icon. I really appreciate your support. And as usual, don't forget to exercise today.